Credit Karma Tax is a free, online tax preparation software that helps individuals file their federal and state taxes. It offers simple step-by-step guidance, ensuring accuracy and maximizing deductions. The platform supports various tax situations, including self-employment, and provides a user-friendly interface for an efficient filing process. Let's explore the importance of Credit Karma Tax software: accurate tax filing, efficient expense tracking, simplified deductions and credits, enhanced financial reporting, improved tax compliance, timely tax submission. Bookkeeping and accounting services through Credit Karma Tax guarantee accurate reporting and efficient tax preparation. Accounts Junction utilizes this platform to provide timely, compliant financial insights, enabling businesses to streamline their tax processes and achieve their goals effectively. Let's explore the core aspects of Credit Karma Tax software: maximized refund opportunities, simplified record keeping, streamlined financial management, reduced risk of errors, integration with bank accounts, cost savings for tax filing. Here are some services we offer using Credit Karma Tax: accurate tax filing and reporting, streamlined tax preparation for businesses, tax compliance assurance, real-time financial insights, simplified tax deduction identification. Partner with Accounts Junction to streamline your bookkeeping and accounting processes. Utilizing Credit Karma Tax, we deliver efficient solutions to ensure your business operations run smoothly and seamlessly. Contact us now